I'm Stephen Herring, owner and president of All About Events. Been in business since 2008. Currently, we're at about 35 full-time employees located here in Paso Robles. So All About Events, we focus on high-end wedding rentals, event rentals, anything from backyard parties to large-scale festivals. I started with just myself and one employee and trying to figure out accounts receivable and payable and all the back end, and you're the operator cleaning the chairs and cleaning the dance floors and on trucks delivering product every weekend. So it got to a point where we're really growing and scaling. So I reached out to a friend of mine in the industry and he referred me to Collaboration. Probably around 2016, 2017 is my first engagement with Collaboration, and that first one was more to build the foundation of my company. And since then, I've worked with Collaboration on multiple other projects. The results that I got from them were, you can't put a price on it. I wouldn't be here where I am today, honestly, if it wasn't for them and exposing me to, the direction I needed to go in. The second engagement with All About Events was more focused on team building and getting my managers bought in to, the 5-year plan, the mission and the values of the company. That one, I believe, was a 3-month process to where we all would go down and meet with Aaron or the team. The ones that truly got the value out of it, they would engage and work the process. They're looking at the company and the mission of the company and the values of the company completely different now that they were exposed to the whole process. And now to this day, those are my top 4 managers at this point. Once I worked with Collaboration and was able to find that management team, which they helped hire most of them to, or help me work through that process of hiring, the whole goal was for me to step aside and let the management run the day-to-day. My life is way different now that I've worked with Collaboration over the past 6-7 years. When I first went with them, my business, was a brand new business, only been in operations for about 4 years. Fast forward now, I have a lot more freedom because I was able to build up the foundation not only of the company, but also build up the managers and employees around it. Now I trust my managers and work with them on a monthly basis to really make sure that, the company's still moving forward, and it just frees me up to start other companies and other opportunities to offer more employment for locals. So I think knowing what I know now and what I learned from Collaboration and through all the different engagements is that if you're feeling that you may need some help, I would highly suggest doing it sooner than later. Hiring a consultant and working with them, they'll open your eyes to different ways that you can solve the problems yourself. They're there to help guide you through the whole process, and they have many years of experience on helping businesses with whatever problems that they may be faced with. I don't think it really matters what stage of business you're in or growth, just starting out or been in business for 20 years. I think Collaboration can help you for every step of the way.